Hey everybody, and welcome to your geography lesson today. For this lesson, for your activity at the end, you will need a pencil, some paper and some crayons. So Monday the 18th of January, in geography today, we're going to be looking at our learning objective is to show similarities and differences between human and physical features. So we're going to be learning all about what human and physical features are. So our vocabulary for this lesson is human, physical and feature. Okay, so last week, everybody, within your lesson, you had a National Oak lesson where you learned all about the 7 continents. Now, I did post as well a song on YouTube for you to listen to, and I know that some of you were singing it all day. So well done, everybody. Let's just recap that song and listen to it to see if we can learn the names of the 7 continents. Remember, they go in order on the video, on the song, from greatest to smallest, which helps us to remember where they are. So let's listen to that song now, everybody. Please join in and sing.
Hopscotch! The world is split up into continents. There are 7 in all. And if you get the gist, we're gonna make a list from biggest to small. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and also Australasia. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and also Australasia.
Hey, my name is Asia, and more than half of the world lives here, but whatever.
And I am Africa with desert for miles, and my Nile is the longest river.
North America, start down in Panama, wide open spaces all the way to Canada.
I'm South America with animals galore, where the rainforest grows, 'cause the rain really pours.
I'm Antarctica, and I'm totally ours.
And I'm Europe, you're welcome, for the pasta, pizza, waffles, and fries.
I'm Australasia, some call me Oceania. I got a lot of islands, too many to explain to ya.
We are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and also Australasia.
Okay, well done, everybody. Thank you if you joined in with the singing. Now let's just have a little go at a quiz. Let's see if we can do this all together. So I'm going to click start. Now I need to drag them in and to see if I can remember where they are. You can do this quiz on your own if you want to. It is in the Wakelet folder. So the first one, I'm thinking the song, the first continent was Asia. And Asia, we remember it goes from greatest to smallest. So I'm looking for the biggest continent here. And I think this one is the biggest. So this one says Asia. I'm going to drag it there. And think about the song again. Asia, Africa. Africa, where's the next biggest one? Can you point at it at your screen? This is the next biggest one. Asia, Africa. Asia, Africa. What's next? North America. And I'm looking again, which one's the next biggest? Here, let's see, North. Someone at home can help you see what the words say. So we've got Asia, Africa, North and South America. So North is up, South is down. So there we go, we have South America. Asia, Africa, North and South America. What's next? Antarctica, the next biggest one. And I know Antarctica is full of snow. So we've got Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe. The next biggest one there, Europe. And finally, Australasia. There we go. See if we got it right. Absolutely brilliant. I hope you joined in with me there, everybody. Thank you for that. Right, moving on now. We are looking at human and physical features. So if you can try to say those words, are you ready? My turn, human. Your turn, human. My turn, physical. Your turn, physical. My turn, features. Your turn, features. My turn, human features. Your turn. My turn, physical features. Your turn. Well done, everybody. So a human and physical feature is everything that you can see all around you. So you could go for a walk and it's everything that you can see. So if we're thinking about the word human feature, now the word human feature, it means it's something that's been put there by a human. So it's man-made is what we call. So somebody has put it there, it's been built or it has been made. So remember the key is in the word there, human, human. So here we can see some examples of human features. They are like houses, roads, bridges, towns, cities. So everything that you can see that's been built up. So here you can see big buildings and bridges. Here you can see some flats or some apartments. Okay. So, and now our next one. I wonder if you can figure it out. If human means stuff that man has made, physical is something that's natural. So things like seas, mountains, rivers, they are all natural. They've not been put there by a person. They're natural. So I'll just move that up so you can see it. You can see these lovely mountains here. You can see all these fields and trees. Here, this is a coast. Okay, you can see the sea. You can see a bit of a cliff as well there. It's all natural. It hasn't been put there on purpose by a person. Mainly, you can see a lot of it is blue and green. Okay. So, just another little video here to explain a little bit more about human and physical features. So we'll watch Ben and Amber learn all about physical features when they're going on a trip. So let's watch this video now.
I'm trying to work out where we are on this map. By the way that this bus keeps twisting and turning, I'd say we're on that wiggly road there. That's not a road, that's a river. I'm glad you're not driving this bus, or we'd all be underwater.
Is everything all right?
Yes, Mr. Lewis. We're trying to find out where we are on the map. Ben thinks this is a road, but I think it's a river.
It's a bit confusing, isn't it? That's because the road follows the bends of the river in places. To make it straight, the road builders would have had to build lots of bridges and tunnels, which cost a lot of money. Although they look similar on this map, the road and the river are examples of the two different types of geography, physical and human.
That sounds complicated.
Not really. Physical features are natural. They would be here even if people weren't. Things like rivers, mountains, and seas. Human features are made by people, like buildings, roads, and bridges.
So that means the river is a physical feature and the road is a human feature?
That's right. Let's do a quiz. Work out which are physical features and which are human features. That church, is it a human or physical feature?
Human feature.
Correct. What about the hills?
Physical.
Spot on. Ah, we've arrived.
This is a lake, so it must be a physical feature?
It looks like a natural lake, doesn't it? But it was made by people around 60 years ago because they needed a place to store fresh water. Physical and human features affect each other in many ways. Sometimes the landscape changes what people build, like the windy road. And sometimes what people build changes the landscape, just like this lake.
Okay, I hope you enjoy that video, everybody. So hopefully from that you've seen a few examples now, and it's you're thinking, when you think about human and physical, has it been made by a person, or is it natural? So there are two pictures here of our school grounds. We've got our school building here, then we've got our field here. Now have a think. I want you to tell whoever you're with at home, is this picture here of our building a human feature or a physical feature? And tell them, how do you know? You can pause the video and do that now. Okay, well done, everybody. If you thought and you said that you think that this is a human feature, if you did, thumbs up to you. It is a human feature because it didn't grow there on its own. It was built by builders. Okay, our school was put there on purpose so all of us could learn and have lots of fun. So that is a human feature. What did you think about our school grounds? What did you think? You were absolutely right if you said physical feature. Well done. How do you know? There's lots of trees. Okay, the grass, it's all natural. It's grown naturally. So well done if you got that right, everybody. Super work. Okay, for your activity today, I would like, if you haven't already been, can you go for a walk when you have time and explore your surroundings? If you've already been for a walk, can you remember what you saw? Or if you can't go for a walk today, if it's a bit miserable outside, maybe have a look through your window. Go upstairs and have a look through your window, or go in your back garden and have a look. What can you see that is around you? Are there buildings? Is there a park? What can you find? And have a think. Are these features human? Has a person put them there, or are they physical? Have they grown? Are they natural? What I would like you to do then is draw a picture of what you can see and label it. So I have done a little example. Let's just load this up for you to have a little look. Yours will be a lot better than mine, I'm sure. So when I went for a walk today, I saw a tree. So here I am, just quickly drawing a tree. Yours will be a lot neater than mine, everybody. I did mine very quickly, just to give you an example. And we've got some grass there. So I walked in a park. So what I've done now is labelled it physical feature because it's natural. Nobody put it there. It grew. The next thing I saw in the park on my walk was this. Now, straight away, it's a swing and it's made out of metal. So metal doesn't grow on its own and build itself up like that. And there was a slide as well. It was definitely put there by a human. So I'm just labelling here human. I'm just spinning it around for you so you can see exactly my work. There we go. So that's just a very quick example for you, everybody. Your work will be a lot better than that, and your drawings are a lot neater than mine. Okay, I can't wait to see your work, everybody. Please upload it into the completed work channel on Teams, and have a lovely rest of your Monday.